I want to show you these bulbs here. So I have 3 different kinds of bulbs here, and we're looking at them in both visible and infrared. Let's start over here with this one. This is an incandescent light bulb. I'm going to move it over here so that we can see it better. In the infrared, right there, it's drawing, I have it plugged in, it's 65 watts. You can see it in the camera right here. It's this one right here. And it's bright. It looks nice, okay? But it's also very hot. If I just rotate this around, I'm going to measure the temperature of that bulb, and I get on the order of 225 Fahrenheit. Okay, so we call that hot. Now, let's look at this next one. I'm going to unplug this one so that I can measure the power of this next one. This is the classic LED bulb. I can't even see. I blinded myself. There it is. And I've had them warmed up so that they can see how much power they use. Now, it is pretty bright. You'll notice it's very bright. And it's 15 watts. 15 watts versus 65 watts. It's pretty much the same thing. However, let's look at the temperature. I'm going to move my temperature reading right over here. It's that little circle. I'm getting 174 on the base, 100 on the top. But right there, that's the problem. So I'll take one of these apart in another video. But these have a little driver circuit in here, and they do get warm. That is very warm. But still 15 watts, that's pretty awesome. Now I'm going to take that out, and let's look at this last bulb here. This is a new kind of bulb. It's the LED filament bulb. And you'll see that it has these long filaments and they look really cool. And this is the small version. I don't have the large version with me right now. And it does get hot. And it's not nearly as bright because it's a small bulb, right? It's very small. But look at this. Can you guess the power in this thing? Guess the power. 65 watts, 15 watts, 3. This is 3 watts. That's really nice. And then if I measure the temperature, let's see if I can get it over here to my circle. I'll move my circle to the thing. We're looking at 92, 91, 94, 95. It's not very hot, and that's kind of nice, right? They're not like an incandescent bulb. It does have some electronics in the base. There is some current and things get hot, but it's very efficient, and it makes a nice color too. So we're going to look at these in more detail later, but I just wanted to show you these in the infrared camera. LED filament bulbs are kind of cool. Talk to you later.